Okay, I'm on the bridge. This is the Greenbrier River. And you can see the city sign here, city halls there, and then the water reached possibly to this point here. And we're coming to Patton Street. Patton Street was all underwater. Yeah, here is actually underwater. Here is the river. On the June 23rd, water has more rising above here. Actually, you can still see well here. And then military personnel are here. So I'm coming to Patton Street, but actually I'm not going to go there because I have coverage already there. The clean up really nicely. And then this part is really bad. Actually, people died. And then I'll talk about the, this. They're still maybe looking for missing people here. Okay, I'm going to drive here. All these houses are all underwater, and then a little bit further, somewhere 7 out of 10 houses are washed away. And then there was a fire, and then you can see the video what actually the post office lady says about. And then here's they're recovering here. Here I see the vehicle over there. And okay, look at more clean up there. So I'm going to make a tent here. Okay. And then this vehicle clean up things really well, fast. Okay. Thank you. Is there any way I can come out? Come. Yeah, I'm on Patton Street. My house was on Patton Street, flooded. But I just want to see what's happening here. And then,
sir, I need you to
I can go back. How to go back?
I need you to turn around because we're trying to get some stuff down here.
Okay, sure. Okay.
All right, you can go back up that way, sir.
Yeah. This way?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, I visited a house, not the building, apartment building, probably is on another side. And then you can see things still on the, on the porch. I think house was under. And then this car looked like it's washed, was in the water. Car is damaged here. This vehicle is destroyed. Of course, many been destroyed. I'm not sure I go this way or that way. Okay, I'm going to try this way. I want to get back. Oh, okay. Now I'm come back to the river, close to the river, and many years ago, just a few years ago, and when my kids was small, actually we come to this river a lot. Look, many things the ground being washed away. Oh, here is more total mess. Here is worse than the Patterson Street. Yeah, this there. Yeah, the river was rising. That part, I was, yeah, over there. Before when we came 2004, and then it's there not that much. And then they look like they're still looking for the missing person. And this diver here. Lots of special vehicles. This river was reached, almost reached the. I think he's covered the bridge at the top on June 23rd, about 5 o'clock. See the car here. This is the river. The river actually here I joined it with two. This is the intersection. I want to thank the people who help us to clean up, recover, give me free food.